What it is, what it was, what it could be, guys. It's your boy Justice, and today we are going fishing. And I'm not just talking about the usual spearfishing we do. No, 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 no. Today we're doing the old-fashioned, cast it out there, set the hook, reel them in, fishing. That's what we about to do. Old school, we taking it back. Apparently this is like the hot spot for catching bream, according to Pat. You got anything to say about that, Pat?
I don't like being on video, mate, unless you're paying me.
Well, I ain't about to pay this motherfucker, so. For those of you back home, a bream is basically like a bluegill to us, I feel like. They're bigger, and they're also in the ocean, but fairly similar, I think. Apparently, Dean is like a master at fishing. That's what he says. Dean says he can catch all the fish out here. All of them. One cast, he said. I said, you better not be exaggerating now. He said, no, no. I am the fishing master, the guru. You know, we'll see. Now this is what I call a one-day boat. Ooh, one day I'm gonna have a boat just like that. First cast is in the water. Let's see if he gets something. There's one fish. Threw it back. That was pretty small. Oh, good ones. This is actually really beautiful. Take a look. Ty the Great has caught the biggest fish I've ever seen. Wow, it's a big one. So you gonna fillet that thing, Ty, or you gonna cook it whole?
I think I might just pump one straight in the water, you know, oil them up.
Right on. Going back into the drink.
I don't even want to throw.
Give him a kiss. And he's off.
And he's off. Beautiful night to do some fishing. Not having a lot of luck tonight though. No bites really. You can't really see it, but there's another fish right there. Well, we didn't have a whole lot of luck today. Pat caught 3, Ty caught 2 if you count that little tiny one. I caught 1, and Mr. Big Shot Got 0.
Allegedly.
He said he had one get off. He said it was, you know, just a whale, but happened to get off. I think we need to go back to spearfishing. We didn't catch too many. I don't think we're too good at this. Till next time, catch up.